Hi guys, good morning to all.
Very good morning, sir.
As you know, it's Monday today, especially for Personal Speech Day. So I came here for deliver my speech. So I wanna tell you that my story is a businessman and boatman story. Once a businessman is going in Blaze and he wants to establish his new company, that Blaze, and it was bank of river, and there is a two-way, means first way is a very long, so and second way is it is in river. So if he goes by long way, so he will have to spend his 8 hours approx. So he decided that I will go by boat and I will cross river, then I can reach second place within 20 seconds. So then he sat on boat and he started conversation with boatman. So he asked first that, do you know that who am I? He said that, sir, I don't know. Then he said that you don't read newspaper. Means one day, and means once in a week, twice in a week my picture comes in newspaper, so you should know that who am I. After 1 week there will be my big company, it is for mineral water. So he said, sir, I didn't understand, so can you tell me? So he said that there is a means he got angered, then he said that you don't know that what is mineral water, so you should know. So he said that, sir, I don't know how to sign, because means when I was child, so my father had passed away. So as my father had passed away, so on that day I started handling my family's problem, and I was alone in my family for earning. So besides me there is no earning source for my family, so I earn only livelihood. So he said that you must know that means, so he said that means my company's bottle will not sell in your village, it will sell in cities. So he said that, ever did you go city? He said that I never went. So he said that, what did you do in your life before and what you want to do? He said that I want nothing, I want only to feed my family. So he said that means as he started thinking that I don't know anything, and even I don't know that what is city, and never I went out from this Blaze. So he said that I have destroyed my life. So he was not following his means boat. Means after some time his boat collapsed with big stone. So then the water started coming his boat. So he seemed that there is no way for saving ourselves, so we'll have to jump in river. But the bank of river is very far from. He means businessman said that you should save me. Then boatman asked that, do you know how to swim? He said that I don't know how to swim. Then boatman started laughing. So he said, businessman said that if means you should save me, and what you want to get I will give you, and what you want I will give you. Then he said that, okay, I know how to save others. So he saved him. So we learned very one good thing, that everyone is perfect in their profession. So we should not remark at others that you don't know how to do this, how to do this. So everyone has certain areas that he or she is in perfect his area. So now I means it's enough for from me. So thank you, have a good day.